Hi, and welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So I'm on my way to go grab a few things, but I'm actually very excited. I'm headed to my nursery that just opened up here on March 1st, my local nursery, Meadow Farm, shop local, and seeing what they have. I'm working on my strawberry patch, and I don't know if you guys seen that or not, but I had a lot of empty space inside of there for the strawberries that weren't coming back. That's because the little deer were helping themselves to those tender leaves, I believe, over the fall and winter. And so I need to grab a few more to see if I can replenish that. Also, think I'm gonna grab a few items for my chipping green project, trying to encourage a little bit more growth around there, around the collar and the bottom of the chipping green. So I'm probably gonna grab some topsoil and sand and some things to try to get that going. So stay tuned. Working the Yard with Will. All right, welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So I just got back from making my little run to the nursery and the hardware store, and I picked up a few items. Let's just flip this thing around and show you what I got going on. So what I got here is, you see it as a pitchfork. And the whole idea behind the pitchfork is to go around in the areas where I had poor germination and to add these holes to the ground. I didn't want to core aerate. I wanted to tine aerate by creating holes and getting some sand in there, and hopefully that'll promote some more growth for me. So I plan on working that up into the bare spot areas and seeing if that works. My other finds for the day were, of course, soil conditioner. I'm using paper sand. It's not ideal what you want to use, but it's what I have available to me. I'm going to mix that up. But my most important finds came from the nursery. So I got a few things in here. I got some strawberries. Some more strawberries for the strawberry patch. These are sure crop strawberries I picked up. It says 15 June bearing strawberries. Get you some information on when to put them in the ground and harvest time. But I also picked up some potatoes. Check this out. These are purple Majesty potatoes. These are russet Burbank potatoes. What else we have? These are German butterball potatoes. And the last one, this is ambrosia potatoes. So I got these potatoes here that I'm gonna put out there in the garden and see how that goes. You know, okay. So, like I was saying, I have a bunch of blueberries over here now. First two are blueberries, second two are blackberries, and these last three are blueberries. And I forget where I found these. You know what? I know where I got these. I got these large tomato cages, I want to say at Lowe's, and I grabbed them last season. I actually picked up those blueberries last season too, and the blackberries. So I didn't get any fruit from them, but as you can see, I have flowers, fruit flowers starting to come in a little bit. I don't have extremely high hopes for them this season. You know, we'll get what we get, and next season, at least for these first 4 plants, you know, since it'll be their first season. Okay, so what I was doing here was taking a moment to go ahead and label these potatoes. I didn't capture me putting them in the ground, but essentially I had 6 potatoes per box. I spread them out 2-3 inches roughly, and down about 2.5 inches. So we're gonna cover them up later and see how it goes. Okay, welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So I got myself some sure crop strawberries. These are bare root strawberries. I'm taking them out the package. Look like they were packed in some type of cocoa. Nice and fine and root. I put the bare roots down here in the water, letting them soak for a few minutes, although they felt pretty hydrated already. Next step is to grab a small container and fill it up part way with a little bit of probably the same as material it came out of. Soil conditioner and a little bit of that garden soap. So stay tuned. Working the yard with Will. Welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So we got 9 plants that we potted up here, 9 strawberries. That's from the first pack. These are bare root strawberries. I think I'm gonna directly sow the other bare roots directly into the ground. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back to Working the Yard with Will. So we went ahead and put our other remaining strawberries. Well, I'll take that back. We add about 9 strawberries to this box. So we have 9 bare root strawberries that we put inside of actual containers, and we have 9 or so that we added to this box. This is a 4x4 box, so stay tuned. Let's see how this goes. Working the Yard with Will.